kind of variant of this is what I call the press release cloud. Similar to the silo before, you have a base release that's linking to the target site, and then you have a bunch of other releases that are not linking back to the original release, they're linking back to the base release. And then you can, use, for this model, I typically say, this is one where you're going to go 6 or more. It can be a little bit looser from a topic basis, and we'll cover that again in just a minute here. But this is the other model. I tend to prefer this one. I like this one. It gives me a little bit more flexibility, because what I can do is I can actually take some of the stack releases and develop them into silos of their own. And so it gives me a lot of flexibility here, and it really pushes everything through that base release so that, I have a big focal point there, and I can use a lot of other off-page structures if I want to, kind of amplify everything even more. So this to me is a really flexible situation where I can mix and match and combine some of these strategies.